In this video, I will show you how to get 120 FPS on Roblox Mobile. So to get started, go ahead and open your settings on your device, and then from here, head over into the display and brightness section. So click on that display and brightness tab on your settings. And then once you get there, you'll be able to get redirected into the section. Click on refresh rate, and then that will take you into another section. So in here, you can go ahead and click on refresh rate and then select from the available refresh rate on this list. So if you find 120 FPS, you can go ahead and click on that. But since my device doesn't have that, I won't be able to click on that. And then another way would be through Roblox. So go ahead and open Roblox on your device. So once you have opened Roblox, head over into the more section, and then from there, go ahead and head over into the settings. So click on settings and then click on device preferences. So from the device preferences section, you can go ahead and set this up into 120 FPS.